watching Learn How to Draw Hub, and I'm your host, Bella Gowan. Today we're going to be learning how to draw a red M&M. I'm going to go over the supplies, but first, if you haven't subscribed to our YouTube channel yet, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. Okay, for the supplies, today you're going to need a blank piece of drawing paper, a black Sharpie or a pencil to draw with, and today we're going to need a couple colors. We're going to need a tan, a red, and lastly a light gray. Well, I'm really excited. Let's see what we can come up with. We're going to start off by making a big circle in the middle of the page. Now we're going to add the eyebrows and color them in. The left one will overlap with the circle, and the right one will be just above it. Next, we're going to make the eyes. For this, you're going to make two circles, one under the left eyebrow and one under the right. Once you've finished making the circles, we're going to add one curved line going through each of them. This will be the eyelid for each eye. Then we're going to make two oval-like shapes coming down from that curved line to make the pupil. We'll do this for each eye. The bigger oval will get colored in, and the smaller one we will leave white. Now we're going to start making the M. We'll start by making 3 small lines spaced evenly apart. First we will make the left side with a line going up, then we will connect the bottom 3 lines that we drew with curves. This will make the bottom side of the M. Then we will go to make the top side of the M. We'll start on the left with a box-like shape, and then we will make curves that connect it all the way to the right. Now we're going to give our M&M a smile. We'll do this by making a big curved line going across his face and then having 2 small lines on either side of that line. Then we will make his mouth. Starting about halfway to the right side of the line, we will bring it down and around to the end of the right side of the curved line for his mouth. We'll add a tongue in the middle with 2 small curves. Then we will color in the back of the mouth. Once we're done with that, we're going to start making the arms for the M&M. We'll start on the right side by making a triangle-like shape coming out from his body. Then we'll make a bigger triangle-like shape going around that to finish his arm. Then for the top of his glove, we're going to make a small oval-like shape at the end of his arm. We will do the same thing on the left side that we did on the right. Now we're going to make the right glove. Once you're done with the right side, we're going to move on to the left side and make the left glove. Then we're going to start the legs. For the left leg, we're going to make 2 parallel lines coming down from his body. Now we will do the same thing for the right leg. Now we're going to start making the right tennis shoe for the M&M. We will start by making a curved shape under the right leg and then 2 bumps coming off of that, going towards the right. Then for the back side of the shoe, we'll make a curved shape coming all the way around to the front. We will then make a small line going underneath the sole of the shoe. Then we will add 2 curved lines for details on the shoe. Now we're going to do the same thing for the left tennis shoe. Once we're done drawing the left shoe, we'll be all done drawing our M&M. Thanks for watching Learn How to Draw Hub. Now come color him in with us.